So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 950, that is reveal cards in increasing order, and in this we'll be given an integer array, a deck, and there is a deck of cards where every card has a unique integer, and this integer on the ith card is the deck I. And what we can do, we can order the deck in any order we want. Initially all the cards starts with face down unrevealed in one deck, and what we have to do, you will do the following steps repeatedly until all cards are revealed. We'll take the top of the deck, reveal it, and take it out of the deck. And if there will be still the number of cards in more than one, what we'll do, we'll pick up the top of the top card of the deck, and then we'll put at the bottom of the deck. Okay, and if there are still unrevealed cards, we'll go repeat the step. Okay, and we have to return an increasing in ordering of the deck that would reveal the cards in increasing order. Okay, so let's say for example we are having 17, this is the initial ordering. So if we return this ordering, we'll take out the cards according to this process. We'll be having the cards in a sorted order. For example, let's say, because the statement says that firstly we'll be taking off the top of the card and we'll be revealing it, that is 2. Then we'll be skipping 13 and we'll be adding it to the end of the array. So then we'll be having 3. Then again we'll be doing the same thing with 11. So at that time we'll be having 5. Then we'll be having we'll be doing the same thing with 17. We'll be having 7 left. Okay, now what I'll be having after 7, I am having no card. So what I have done, the first card that I have appended would be like after popping of 7, my after was it was 13. So instead I'll be having 11, and after 11 I'll be having 17. So when I'll be adding 13 to the back of the deck, so then I'll be getting 13, and after that at last I'll be getting 17 if I follow these steps. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to return this ordering, so that whenever I'll take the top of card of the stack, I'll be having the cards in the increasing order. Okay, so for this, let's first create an answer array that is equal to new int of size n. Let's declare n first. Int n is equal to deck dot length. Okay, now we'll be having a queue of integer. Let's call it cards, that is equal to new linked list. And what we'll be doing is we'll be appending the cards in a sorted order. Okay, let's just first sort the deck, that is arrays dot sort deck. And now what we'll be doing, that for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I'll be appending the indexes into the cards queue. Okay, sorry for that. Cards dot add I. Okay, now what I'll be doing, I'll be running a for loop again, that for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and we'll be adding the cards as per the algorithm. So what we'll be doing is of the answer cards dot poll, at that index, what I'll be doing, I'll be adding my deck ith card, and what I'll be doing, I'll be adding cards dot add the next index on that on the queue. Okay, so I'll be adding it to the end, and by this I'll be having my cards in this particular order which I want, that is 2 3 2 13 3 11 5 17 7. Okay, now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.